What's good, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Weekly Outlook. The last week was pretty much as expected. We analyzed gold, DXY, Euro USD, and GBP USD, and we got a very much expected reactions, right? So, what can we expect in this week, especially when this week we have CPI, PPI, unemployment claims, right? We have very important news. So let's quickly dive into the analysis and see what can we expect on DXY, gold, Euro USD, and GBP USD. So with DXY, what's happening on a monthly time frame is we are clearly having a very good bull run. After that, we have formed a base and created a higher high, right? So this is most likely just a pullback on a monthly time frame, which is happening, right? We're just reacting from the imbalance right here. And now I think we can possibly continue higher in the coming months, right? So this was a monthly view. Let's understand what can we expect this week. So with CPI, PPI, unemployment claims, all these important news events coming next week, I think DXY could either consolidate and try to break higher from this. If we, of course, break this low, then definitely we will dump lower, much lower, in my opinion. So my bias for this week is we could either consolidate here or try to break higher from 107.1 odd levels. So that's pretty much it on DXY. Let's quickly take a look on gold. So with gold, we have got a very beautiful bull run, and then after that, I expected a pullback, and that's pretty much what we are getting. 2006 was the level that I had given, and if you see, this supply zone was the exact point from where gold shifted its structure and continued to drop below, right, to give us a pullback. Now this zone right here is where I expect gold to be sideways and then maybe continue its rally on the upside. So of course this does not align with the DXY bias, but what you need to understand is that it is not necessary for these to correlate every single time, right? Here this is a demand area, and it will make a lot of sense if price just tries to again break further, make lower highs, lower lows, and the minute we make a higher high on a 4-hour time frame, I would be super cautious and I would love to look for a long opportunity, because in that case we could again target 1983 at minimum. So this to me looks a wonderful long opportunity. In saying that, unless and until this level is protected in the current price action, 65.5 is protected, I would like to keep shorting with small targets. However, start being cautious once we trigger into this, which is 25.19 odd levels, and we might or might not see very clean shots, because this is a daily demand where we are entering. So you're bound to see some aggressive spikes on the upside, and then again a small drop on the downside. So that is why I felt much more comfortable to only short until 1934 is met, and after that we can just scalp a little here and there, and then maybe look for long opportunities. Now in case if this view fails, then there is a very good probability we could continue lower, and I really don't think so that could happen, because this is a free fall. We literally have no base over here, and if we fall from here, it's going to be a very crazy down move back into 1830, 1850 odd levels, and I really don't think we could potentially dump that much on gold, right? So my bias is pretty simple. I would love to look for long opportunities inside this zone until 1908 odd levels, and if we respect it, that's it. Beautiful long opportunities on our way, and if we fail to do so, then definitely we will be looking for shorts. So that's pretty much it on gold. Let's look at GBP USD. So GBP USD had marked this weekly imbalance as explained in the recent analysis, and we reversed exactly from that point, right? Very beautiful reaction on the downside, and right now on a 4-hour time frame, this is our daily imbalance which I had marked. right here. On a 4-hour time frame, right now we have these highs and immediate imbalance right above that. So there's a very good probability we could just sweep out all these highs and again dump lower. If at all we dump below at the open itself, then we could potentially look for long opportunities from here and then target the sweep of this high. So all in all, this range is quite interesting. We could uh, long or short based on the opportunity that is presented. And finally, Euro USD. We have this imbalance which we've filled up. Let's go on a daily time frame now. Daily time frame looks sorted, like we're making higher highs, but weekly this is just a pullback, potential pullback. So again, quite tricky right here. I would be looking at DXY to understand where actually are we trying to continue. Now, if right here we have our daily imbalance, so my bias is that we could potentially try to fill this up or trade around that in the coming week. Right now on a 4-hour time frame, this is a significant high that we have made. After this, now if assume price closes below this, like this, if we have a close below this, then this high will be super important for me. So I would like to keep looking for short opportunities unless and until these highs are protected, and we could target the daily imbalance ideally. So that's pretty much it on Euro USD. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.